Hey, if you've been trying to grow your Instagram but feel stuck posting every single day with barely any results, this video is going to change how you think about growth completely. Today, I'm going to show you how to gain followers on Instagram fast for free without constantly posting, using a new approach powered by AI tools like GramGenies. Now, before you think this is just another hack or shortcut, let me be real with you. Instagram growth has changed. It's no longer about posting more. It's about attention, timing, and engagement. And most people fail because they're trying to do everything manually. Here's what actually needs to happen to grow on Instagram today. You need to attract the right audience. You need content that feels human and engaging. You need to catch trends early. And most importantly, you need to reply fast to comments and DMs. Now ask yourself honestly, do you have time to do all of that every single day? Probably not. That's exactly why most accounts stay stuck at low followers. This is where tools like GramGenies come in. Instead of you doing everything manually, this kind of AI system acts like a mini marketing team working in the background. Here's how you can actually use it to grow your Instagram without posting nonstop. Step 1. Train the AI to understand your niche. First, you give the system basic info about your business or content, your niche, your target audience, your offers or links. This is important because now the AI doesn't create random content. It creates content and interactions that match your brand. Step 2. Automate engagement. This is the secret. When someone comments, they get a reply instantly. When someone DMs you, they get helpful responses right away. When someone shows interest, they get your link automatically. This turns attention into followers and followers into customers. And the best part? You're not glued to your phone all day. Step 3. Grow followers without posting constantly. Here's something most gurus won't tell you. You don't always need to post more to grow. You need to show up in the right places and engage with the right people. AI tools can help by interacting with users in your niche, helping you get discovered by people likely to follow you, and supporting consistent activity without burnout. So even if you're not posting every day, your account is still active and growing behind the scenes. Step 4. Only create content when it matters. Instead of posting daily, you can focus on high-quality reels, trend-based content, posts that actually convert. And yes, AI can even help you generate ideas, write scripts, create videos. So when you do post, it performs better. Now, I want to be honest with you. This is not a magic button. If your content is bad, nothing will save it. If your niche is unclear, growth will be slow. But if you combine smart automation, good content, real value, that's when things start to take off. If you've been struggling to grow, feeling overwhelmed posting every day, or just stuck under 1,000 followers, then maybe it's time to stop doing everything manually. Start thinking like this instead. How can I build a system that grows from me? Because that's what successful creators are doing now. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more content like this. And if you're curious about how tools like GramGenies actually work, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.